Lately, I just want to cook my chicken this way, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. To start this recipe, in a bowl, I'll add 1 liter of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cloves of garlic, and mix well to dissolve the salt and sugar in the water. Next, I'll dip 5 chicken thighs into the mixture. I'll cover the bowl with film paper and leave it marinating for 6 hours. Then, in another bowl, add 200 grams of flour and 60 grams of cornstarch. I'll season it with 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and mix it well. Guys, our recipes are only sent to those who interact, so I left your like and tell me the city you watch us from so I can send you a special hug. Now I'm going to divide the mixture in half. Then I'm going to add 2 eggs, 150 milliliters of water, and I'm going to mix it well until it's homogeneous. If you watched this video so far, that's a sign you're enjoying our recipe, right? I love chicken thighs. After 6 hours, I'll take the chicken out of the water and dry it with a cloth. After that, I'll pass the chicken in the liquid part and finally in the other half of the seasoned flour. The chicken thighs are placed in a pan with hot oil and fried over medium heat for 15 minutes to cook our chicken well. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back to tell me how it turned out. We'd love to hear. And our KFC-style chicken is ready. Now all you have to do is enjoy. I really hope you liked it. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!